Okay, subtopic 6.3 is find a minimum sample size to estimate mean. This is continue from the previous subtopic, which is you have the formula of margin of error. Before this is Z times sigma over square root of n. This is the formula for CI when your sigma is known. So question asks to find the minimum sample size. So just rearrange this formula until you have n as your subject. So n is equivalent to z square sigma squared over by error square. E is stand for margin of error. And then you have the note here, always round up to the nearest whole number. Okay, look at example number 1. What should the sample size be for a 95% confidence interval for mean to have a margin of error of 5.5? Assume your sigma is 18.5. So just have this formula. If you remember the formula, just write the formula here. If you don't remember the formula, so you can find this one from the margin of error formula. So n is, why you have this symbol? Because the question asks you to find the minimum sample size. So you have more or equivalent symbol. Z squared sigma squared over by error squared. So just plug in the value. 95% CI, your Z value will be 1.96. Sigma is given 18.5 and error is also given, which is 5.5. So you have 43.46. Then find the minimum sample size, which is 44. If you doesn't use the symbol, if you use only the equal sign, use this note, which is you have to round up to the nearest whole number. So even though you have 43.4, then round up to the nearest whole number, which is 44. Example number 2. Determine the minimum sample size for a 99% confidence interval for mean if the error is within 1 unit of the population mean. Assume sigma is 4.8. So just write the formula first. The Z value when you have 99% CI is 2.58. Sigma is given 4.8. And then what is your error here? So look at this word. Error is within 1 unit of the population mean. Meaning that if you draw the bell curve, this is your X bar. This is the lower limit and also upper limit. So the value here is your error. This is the error that you have from the point estimate up until the lower level and also upper level. So how to find the error here? Given error is within 1 unit of the population mean. So this is the mean. And then within 1 unit, meaning that your error will be equivalent to 1. This is also 1. So that's why you have 1 as your error here. Then if you calculate this one, you have 153.4. Then round up to the nearest whole number, you have 154.